when you have an issue with a prompt, or you see that the conversation with the agent actually doesn't produce what you want, you can stop the conversation. So here it's not visible, but you have, during execution, you have a button to stop. This is important when you start using agent, to understand how it works and so on, to be in front of the agent panel and check that everything's going well, correctly. And otherwise, sometimes you would like to share actually the conversation with, for instance, an AI coach or a professor or a mentor. And for this, it's really useful to save the conversation and into a file and share it with another person. So for this, you will click on the icon sidebar at the bottom left. And this will display a panel on the left that will show a list of all the threads, the conversation with AI agent. So the last one appear at the top. So you can right click on your mouse for Windows. You click Open Thread as Markdown, and you see on the complete left there will be a file that appears. So I will close the agent history panel. And here on the right, I see a text which is formatted in a format we call Markdown. And it's not saved. So to save it and share it later, on Windows, I type Ctrl S, on Mac Command S. I select a place where I want it to be saved. So for instance, in my desktop, I add the information of my name and the date. I add the extension MD for Markdown. I save it, and after that, I can transfer it to a friend or a coach to help me.